Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix no internet connection in Steam tools on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing no internet connection in your Steam tools, then I'll show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first what you have to do, you have to just click on the search, then type here Windows Security. Click on the Windows Security. Then click on virus and threat protection. Here you will find virus and threat protection setting. Click on manage setting. Here you will find real time protection. You have to make sure this should be disabled. Then click on yes. Then close this window. Open the PowerShell. Type in the search. Then type here PowerShell. You will find here Windows PowerShell. Right click on that. Then click on run as administrator. Click on yes. In this you type one command. This is the command. You will find this command in my video description link. You can just copy paste from there. Control V to paste, then hit enter. You have to wait for some time. After completion of this, just close this window and restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix no internet connection in Steam tools on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.